that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up.
What?
Click that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. It's right that way.
What are we doing today, Kylie?
Okay, we're gonna do a makeup challenge with my mommy.
It's not what we're doing in this video. We're going to talk about several tips on how to start your YouTube channel.
Yeah. 7 tips about your YouTube channel.
Yeah, so we're going to tell them how to start a YouTube channel.
How to do it. How to know to do a YouTube channel.
And I got all the little points that I want to let you guys know.
My mom used all the points at the gas station because her always wins.
That's not what I meant. You're so funny.
I'm Kylie.
And I'm, what's my name?
Mommy.
Yeah, I'm Mommy. But on a serious note, my name's Ariel. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And
give us a huge thumbs up and click that subscribe button. It's right up there.
yes. So let's get started on some awesome tips from me and my gorgeous daughter Kylie on how to start your own YouTube channel.
Your own YouTube channel. The first day we're going to talk about equipment.
Okay, so you definitely want to make sure that you eventually purchase a camera, and
you need it definitely, but put a camera and click that subscribe button and give us a huge thumbs up. It's right up there.
and you also want to make sure you get good lighting, because if your video
You make sure to give you a huge thumbs up and click that lighting.
Okay, Kylie. You want to make sure your video has good lighting and also good sound quality, because whenever whenever people are watching your video, they want to be able to see everything. They don't want poor angles.
You don't want to put poor angles. You just want to do videos and do your makeup. Don't want poor angles.
And the sound quality is a big must. I went a very long time without sound.
You just want to do a video and want no boys to bother you in your makeup
No boys.
No boys and your talents.
Okay,
you
so
want makeup.
for the equipment, you want the camera, good lighting, and you want to invest in a microphone.
But promote your YouTube channel.
Promote. That is the biggest thing you can possibly do.
Promote the big things you can do.
Whenever you first start a YouTube channel, it can be kind of embarrassing. I kind of felt embarrassed and didn't have much confidence. Hang on 1 second. I didn't have much confidence. So posting that first video on Facebook and letting everyone know that you are starting a YouTube channel so your friends, family, they can start supporting you. And that is your base. That is where your first subscribers are going to come from. So make sure you post on all your social media. Don't worry about what other people are thinking. Worry about yourself. Because if you want to do this, then you need to do it.
Can I talk now?
Yes.
Click that subscribe button. It's right up there. Give us a huge thumbs up. And don't forget you want no boys in the YouTube channel. You want your makeup. So you better get them out of your way so he doesn't do nothing. And your YouTube channel while you do your makeup.
So I talked about get confident. You want confidence. You have to have confidence. Talking to yourself in front of a camera is kind of awkward. So if you don't feel confident in yourself, you're not going to have good vibes in your video. My first videos were horribly unconfident. But the more you do it, the better you get at it.
Make a plan, YouTube.
Okay, so you want to make a plan for your channel. You want to think about what... 1 second. You want to think about what your channel is going to be about. You want to stick to... They say to stick to one topic, so your subscribers watching your channel will know what they're coming for. You can also make a plan for your videos, so you're not thinking last second on what videos you should be making, and instead of thinking, you can be recording.
Why don't put something?
A vibrant thumbnail. So I learned this from another YouTuber. They were talking about how you want... What? What?
Don't be saying that.
You want a very vibrant, colorful thumbnail to attract your audience, and that'll bring them to your video. Because your thumbnail is the first thing that your audience, subscribers will see. What? You also want to let your audience, you also want your subscribers to know within 10 seconds of the video of what your video is going to be about. Because within that 10 seconds, they're deciding on if they want to stay or not. And if it's taking too long for you to describe the video, it's going... they might click off, and then that is a failure for that first 10 seconds. So make sure you let them know what's going on in this video and what's going to happen, and catch them. What's the word I'm looking for? Attention grabber. There we go. You need one of them's. Okay. PicMonkey is what I use to edit my videos and make my thumbnails. It's free for the most part. I think it might be $5.99 a month, but it works really, really good. I also use Windows Movie Maker for mine because I have HP. I don't have a Mac or anything. It's very easy to use.
Be yourself.
The most important thing is to be yourself in your videos, because people will call it out so fast. Why is that so funny? People start liking you for you, not for you acting like someone else. So make sure to be yourself. You want to upload frequently. If you're not uploading a lot, you will lose followers. You will lose subscribers. And that's not what you want. So make sure you're uploading at least once a month, if possible. More than that. Try and upload at least once a week.
Don't need nothing.
Why are you acting like that?
I want to make makeup. Your name.
The last thing I want to talk about is your name on YouTube. If you have some crazy name, it will be hard to remember, and people won't be able to remember those names. So you want something easy and easy to remember, and yes, that's my last note. These are all of my points on how to start how to start your own YouTube channel.
You're not letting me saying nothing.
What would you like to say? Huh? Say something.
Alright. Don't let no boys get in your YouTube channel, and you better click that subscribe button. It's right up there.
She's right.
Yeah.
Alright, guys.
Bye!
That is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it.
Bye.
This is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you're thinking about starting your own YouTube channel, I will highly recommend it. It's super fun. A lot of hard work. Please share this video with your friends and family and share the love. Comment your channel down below if you have one, so we can all support each other, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Say bye.
Bye.